Hey, I had a question. That like statue in the front here.
Yeah.
Does his eyes move?
Yes.
Okay, because I saw them moving.
The hand moves too. There'll be no air, and they will just move.
Like his eyes were like going back and forth.
Don't look him in the eyes.
Huh?
Look him in the eyes. There was one night I just started tours, and that skull he's holding kept rolling in here. Talking about everybody wanting to leave. Me first. Me first. All right. Well, that would have been the basket the lady in the picture was carrying. Could you imagine toting that around full of whiskey bottles all day? Did you know Tombstone had a bowling alley in the 1880s? It's where Vogan's Alley is today. Check them out. They only have 2 holes. I don't know how to work one of those. But if you ask my husband, I don't know how to work one with 3 holes either. Goes good years. You have your 14 cribs, 7 on each side. Oh, there's the
What's that?
He's lined up already.
There's like a blue dot. Sometimes it dances around.
They didn't touch it last night at all.
Right now I'm seeing it right on the right side.
And they hold, the puppy has to be touched. So
Yeah, I understand.
That's fun.
You got it? Have you seen one of those?
See that?
Oh,
Yeah, I've seen the
oh
trailer
well.
version.
Sorry. I was,
Have you ever
Yeah,
seen the
yeah.
robot?
was very
You
good.
have a better camera than me.
Go to Spirit Shack.
It's gone. Oh, wait,
But
it's
I
there
did a
again.
Yeah.
paranormal where they got
Right in front of her face.
and
See?
they had this robot, and it goes to motion.
So,
Yeah,
So-
see right there, it's the
Yeah,
bottom.
and they had 2 holes
See
on
that?
top of the
I got
stairs.
one on her side.
They
Yeah,
had to
yeah.
knock it off, and that robot
Oh, really?
jumped back up.
Yeah. He has it too on his camera.
It was pretty cool. I'm gonna get
will they actually touch it?
They do.
I see it, and so does he on his camera.
Really?
Yeah.
What?
They stay with check behind me there. And
Wait, now it's on her thing. Nope, there it is. See it? It's dancing around.
Oh, I see it.
It's on the right side.
they stay behind me. They see the picture there and lights up. Just don't say it's
Do you see it on yours?
I think it's
Oh yeah. Sorry. Go ahead.
there's a girl named Amber that follows me. So they do that, Joel.
Can I ask Amber a question?
Huh?
Can I ask Amber a question?
Yeah.
Amber, are you friendly? If you're
Upstairs with her.
sorry, I don't. I'm.
So far, everybody's friendly.
I feel that.
They're fun. There are a lot of pranksters, and they're just here for a good time. So, like, we signed that waiver, the behavioral thing, just forget about it. Because the more fun you have with them, the more they interact. Because what they were not here for a funeral, they're just fucking here. He's laid up. Somebody's excited.
Oh, sorry.
Now you said it, he won't do it.
What was it? What was it doing before?
Lighting up.
You
Really?
Try to light it up again? Show how you light it up.
It's lighting up.
There you go. Good job. The other
Amber, is that you?
He's catching a figure on the stairs right here.
Who's coming down? Who's coming down? Is it rushing down? Other arm too. Good job. Very nice. Thank you.
Is that?
Can you hit him on the head? Can you touch the puppy on the head? Or how about both arms? Can you do both arms?
Oh, I felt like a chill right here. Like
I felt chill right on my legs.
They're fun. They're excited tonight.
I felt real chill right here. Like goosebumps on my arms.
See if you can light up both arms.
Sorry, I thought he was going off.
You know, right where you pointed, I see two orbs right now.
Can you touch both paws?
Right here.
Yeah. Just above your hand, actually.
Somebody wear
It's kind of
spurs.
going away now, but it was
Somebody wearing
literally
spurs?
right there.
Wearing what? Spurs? What is that?
Like the jingling things on the boots?
No.
Me neither. I just heard like bells, and it didn't seem like a whisper. Oh, there you go. There's the other one. What about both? Can you do both? Come on, light her both. There you go. Are
It's
they both light up or is
really
it flash?
chilled on the side.
That's probably the air on that one. Are both lighting up?
Yeah.
Heck yeah, good job. What about the head? Can you cut the head now? Alright, good job. That is awesome. You are showing off now. It's nice. Let's show off. How about touching the head? Can you touch the head for me too? That one's hard. Can you touch your belly and rub your head at the same time? Good job. Very nice. Thank you. Who is it? Is it Joshy?
It's Amber.
Is it Jerome? What about Buddy? It's Buddy? Buddy, is it your turn?
Were you ever at the Weatherford Hotel?
Very nice.
No, there was something. I saw someone at the Weatherford Hotel when I was doing the ghost.
It's Buddy.
You've been to the Weatherford Hotel, buddy? Buddy, have you been to the Weatherford Hotel?
Buddy, you want me to show him your picture?
That's something. And it's not working.
Buddy, it's his turn. Buddy wants me to show you who he is. Buddy's a ham, huh? Buddy, you ready? You gonna light up the meter for me too? Show him it's your turn.
I see something touching it.
Wow, you see something?
Well, I took a picture. I did my husband's tour one night. And I took a picture on this back wall somewhere. And I got this light. I couldn't figure out what it was or where it belonged. So I started blowing it up because, you know, I'm nosy.
You
And I
know that
found
is?
this guy. Buddy.
Do you not like many people around you?
Here's my friend Buddy.
What?
That's my friend Buddy.
That's a human face.
Mm-hmm. Looks like he's in state too, huh?
Where did you take that picture?